Hi, this is Tanya and welcome to my channel Chef Tanya Rannaghar. Let's start with the process. Firstly, soak the dal for 1 hour in water. While the dal gets soaked, let's create the dough of dhokli. For that, take atta, ajwain, salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder and oil. Mix all the ingredients properly. Now add little bits of water from time to time and create the dough tightly. Now the dough is ready. Rest the dough for 30 minutes. Now add the dal on the pressure cooker and boil it until 4 to 5 whistles. Now let's start shaping the dough using diamond cuts. After the dal is boiled, unlid the pressure cooker, take a whisk and mash it properly. It's time to add some spices such as turmeric, coriander, cumin, red chili powder and salt and mix them well. For the final step, take a karai, add ghee and oil into it. Temper it with cumin, mustard seeds, hing, ginger, red chili, curry leaves and peanuts. Now add chopped tomatoes and chopped green chilies into it. When the tomatoes get mushy, add the dal into it. Cook the dal for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add the dhokli in it. Cover the karai and let it cook for 15 minutes. When the dhokli is fully cooked, it will automatically come up. Now add turmeric, jaggery, garam masala and fresh coriander leaves into it. Now our Indian version of pasta is ready. See you again on the next video. Till then, tata.